How to delete your highlights on Hudl. Hey guys, in this video I will let you know how to delete highlights on Hudl. So first of all, go to your hudl.com website, sign into that account using your username and password. Second step is to access your content. So once logged in, navigate to the content section where your game footage or clips are located. This could be your library or any other sections where you are uploaded or recorded videos. Third is find the highlights. So locate the specific highlights you want to delete from your list of highlights. Fourth is edit or manage highlights. Look for options to edit or manage the highlight. This is usually represented by icons or buttons near the highlights. Next step is to delete the highlights. Select the option to delete the highlight. This option is typically labeled as delete, remove, or something similar. Next step is to confirm the deletion. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the highlight. Be aware that this action is usually irreversible, so make sure you are certain about deleting the highlights. Seventh step is to verify the deletion. Once the highlights is deleted, verify that it's no longer visible in your list of highlights. So in that way, you will be able to delete the highlights on Hudl. If you like this video, please subscribe this YouTube channel.